Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the source and where Atmos is applied. This matters. Once done, connect the device directly with HDMI, then open the device's audio settings or the Dolby Access app. You will choose the output device next. Make sure you pick the speaker, TV, or receiver that reports Atmos. Next, look for spatial sound, Dolby Atmos, or bitstream options. This first step stops guessing and puts you in the right menu to actually change the format. Act now. You now disable Atmos directly. In Windows, select the output device, open Spatial Sound, and choose Off or Windows Sonic. Do not leave Dolby Atmos selected. Once done, on TVs or AV receivers, change output from bitstream or auto to PCM or stereo. This forces the source to stop sending Atmos metadata. Also, check any device app, like Dolby Access, and disable or uninstall it if it forces Atmos. Make sure to save settings and apply changes so the device actually renegotiates the audio format. You finish by verifying. Play a stereo track and confirm the output now reports PCM or stereo, not Dolby Atmos. If it still appears, restart source, TV, and receiver so HDMI rehandshakes. Make sure TV or receiver pass-through, eARC/ARC, isn't forcing bitstream. Switch it off if necessary. If problems persist, update firmware or audio drivers and only then consider a factory reset of the audio device. One key troubleshooting tip. Inspect
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.